And now you're welcome to Chef and Fitness. This is the best jollof recipe you can ever have. This Christmas, you need to change levels. And changing levels by making your delicious tooloo beefy jollof. First thing is to wash your tooloo beefy, no spices. Just put it in a pan. Saute it. Once it's sauteed, you keep adding your oil gradually for your deep fry. Once it's like this, you know you're good now because cooking comes with a lot of flavors. Fry your onions. Add your blended onion, garlic, and ginger together for 1 minute and take it out. You're going to pour it into the fried tooloo beefy. So that's our tooloo beefy that we added our blended garlic and onion in. So keep stirring to avoid it being burnt, and you let it cook. Once it's cooked, add your fresh blended tomatoes to it and let it cook as well. Once it's cooked, add your tomato puree and stir. Stir and let it cook for some few minutes. So it's now time to add your seasoning. Once your sauce is cooked, now let me show you the trick in cooking jollof. Take out all the stew. Just leave a little stew in your pan and add your rice. Make sure the stew is no more than the rice. Once your stew becomes more than the rice, know that your jollof is going to be sticky. But if you don't want your jollof to be sticky, then try to reduce the stew. Before adding the rice to the stew, make sure the stew is less. I repeat, otherwise your jollof will be sticky. Add a little stock. If you don't have stock, you can use water, but I always advise people for the best jollof, you need stock. And make sure your water or your stock is no more, it should be less, so it should be balanced with the rice. Yeah, you should see the rice and you should see the stock or the water floating on it. When the water dries up, use an aluminium foil to cover it. I'm just giving you the secret to getting the best jollof. And when you put the rice in the little sauce, let it steam for a while before you add your stock or water to it. This is one of the best recipes you can try at home this Christmas. Your family are going to enjoy the best jollof ever. Try this, like, comment, share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Chef and Fitness.